Hello, I'm going to be answering WASSCE 2019 Economics Objective Pass Question 18. The short run in production is the time period when A. Techniques of production can easily be changed, B. All factors of production are variable, C. At least a factor is fixed while others are variable, D. Variable factors cannot be changed. So you are being asked basically for the definition of short run. And the short run period is basically the period when one factor is fixed and other factors are variable. So one factor is fixed and others vary. So from this we see that option C is at least a factor is fixed while others are variable, and from our definition we said one factor is fixed while others are variable. So the correct answer is C, option C, which says at least a factor is fixed while others are variable. So please subscribe to this YouTube channel for more past questions and answers, and also for more videos. Thank you.